conservation organizations in your countries, you have the power and the legitimacy to connect your people to the local communities, to the children in the school, to the government.
And experiential learning basically means getting children, even young people and adults, just outdoors to really experience the awe and wonder of the natural world.
I am delighted to be in this conference because we have the passion of engaging children to really make a difference. We are exchanging ideas and lessons on how to make it happen better. And I truly believe that the only way that we're going to create this global consciousness of how to save nature, how to save our home for the future, is by engaging children and through education. So I'm delighted to be here, I'm delighted to be learning so much, but I'm most delighted to see the BirdLife Partnership in action, helping engage children so they can realize better ways to help our planet.
I think this event was incredible in the sense that it unified more the BirdLife partners and the power of being in a partnership like BirdLife. The issue that we can share our educational knowledge with a number of partners and also listen to the experiences of other partners is enriching, is empowering, and it also shows that we are on the right track and that even together we can have a better result.
Things that would only be possible as a partnership. So to see the work that BirdLife Malta and its partners have done to get this project together and to get this workshop together has been really inspiring to me.
I think that it's very useful and necessary to work together, not only on local, on regional, but also on global level to protect nature and conserve biodiversity.